Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix a common dynamic block issue where attribute values display the wrong number of decimal places. This problem usually appears when you have a dynamic block that contains attributes linked to distances, lengths, areas, or other measurements. You may stretch the block or change a parameter and notice that the attribute displays too many decimal places, too few decimal places, or a format that doesn't match the rest of your drawing standards. For example, instead of displaying a value like 2500, AutoCAD might show 2500.00000. In other cases, you may want a value such as 25.50, but AutoCAD displays 25.5 or 25.50000000. While the block still functions correctly, the displayed information can look unprofessional and create confusion for anyone reading the drawing. To fix this issue, start by opening the block for editing. Double-click the dynamic block and choose Block Editor, or type BEDIT at the command line and press Enter. Select the block you want to modify and click OK. Once inside the block editor, locate the attribute that is displaying the incorrect decimal format. Click on the attribute to select it. If the attribute is connected to a field or parameter value, right-click the attribute and choose Edit Field if that option is available. The Field dialog box allows you to control how numerical values are displayed. Within the field settings, look for the formatting options. Depending on the type of value being displayed, you should see a section that controls precision. This setting determines the number of decimal places shown in the final attribute value. Adjust the precision to match your project requirements. For example, select 0 decimal places if you only want whole numbers, choose 2 decimal places for standard measurements, or select a higher precision if your design requires more detailed values. After selecting the desired precision, click OK to apply the changes. Next, save the block by clicking Save Block in the Block Editor ribbon or typing bsave and pressing Enter, then close the block editor. Now test the dynamic block. Stretch it, modify its parameters, or perform the action that updates the attribute value. The displayed number should now follow the decimal precision you specified. If the attribute still shows the wrong format, check your drawing units. Type Units and press Enter. Verify the units precision settings match the standards you want to use. In some situations, the displayed values may be influenced by drawing unit settings rather than the attribute itself. Another useful step is running ATTSYC. Type ATTSYC, press Enter, select the block name, and allow AutoCAD to synchronize the attributes. This updates existing block instances with the latest attribute definitions from the block editor. For drawings that contain many inserted copies of the same block, ATTSYC can save a significant amount of time and ensure every block displays information consistently. That's it for today's tutorial. If this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future AutoCAD tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.